Hey, Monday, May 16th. We're still working on natural selection and what clues help us identify or see genetic relationships between species. Our know, understands, and do's, using a dichotomous key, looking for patterns, understand how we use patterns to classify, and the role of DNA in helping scientists classify organisms. You're going to make a dichotomous key, you're identify using a dichotomous key. And as we do that, we're at the final stages of number 73, keeping track of all this stuff. The last few slides include some creatures, some mollusks called Caymanalcules. They give us a domain of Eukarya, the kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, and we're going to classify the class, order, family, genus, and species, ending up naming each of the 29 organisms with the genus and species name. And that's the plan for today and tomorrow. All right, continuing on with yesterday, May 17th, same know, understand, and do's, and you get the entire period to work on your Caymanalcules and classifying those, with the hopes that you are completed by tomorrow. May 18th, which is a Wednesday, we have same know, understand, and do's for the week. So the lesson plan includes Bill Nye Invertebrates video. Mollusks are invertebrates, as are most of the animals we see running around the planet. We want to make you familiar with the other groups as well as the ones you're working with. And then when we're finished with that, it's probably going to help you finish up your Caymanalcules and compare with others to finish out the period. Hey, Thursday, May 19th. Let's get right to the lesson plan. We've got a Bill Nye Life Cycles video. One of the questions that comes up when we look at these mollusks is, how do we know that they're not one organism kind of changing into another, into different life stages, like a tadpole does to a frog? And the answer is you don't. You had to take my word for it when I told you that there were 29 different species. So we want to be aware that when we look at organisms and we look for patterns, we have to look at more than just this single stage we're looking at one time. We have to examine them over a period of time. And with that information, we should be finished up with our Caymanalcules, and then we're going to start a Kahoot. I don't know that we'll get all the way through it. Matter of fact, most classes won't, but we'll get started today and finish up tomorrow. Hey, Friday, May 20th. We made it to the end of a week. And in the whole plan, we're back to the Kahoot. Whether we started it yesterday or not, we're going to work in team mode through the Misconceptions Kahoot. And then we're going to start the Inner Fish video, and that comes with a handout that you can fill in as we go. We'll continue it on Monday. We'll wrap it up. We'll discuss it, answer the analysis questions, and then continue on.